Good morning, dear student. This is your physics class, and I am Ananth. Today, we will discuss about the graphical representation of motion. This is our second period of representation of motion. So, as we know that previously discussed about the representation of motion, the formula are V equals to U plus AT, F equals to UT plus half AT square, and V square equals to U square plus 2AS. Previously we already proved all three formula by the numerical method. Today we will discuss about graphically. So dear student, how can we prove these formula by the graph? Let's suppose we have an object. And that object start moving. So now graphical representation of equation of motion. So, dear student, as we know, if we have a velocity time graph, on y-axis we have velocity and on x-axis we have time, and let's suppose an object is start moving with an initial velocity u. After a time interval, that object reach up to final velocity v. So let the time where t equals to 0, then initial velocity equals to u, and if time t equals to some interval, that is small t, then velocity equals to v. यानी कि बच्चों जब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं तो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी हमारे पास u है, और आफ्टर सम टाइम इंटरवल, कुछ समय अंतराल के बाद आपको जो टाइम आप पहुंचते हो, दैट इज द वेलोसिटी v. तो एट फर्स्ट वी नो दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड एक्सेलरेशन by the slope of VT ग्राफ. अब VT ग्राफ का स्लोप जो है, ये फाइनल पॉइंट, ये इनिशियल पॉइंट, और तो एक्सेलरेशन के लिए क्या लिख सकते हैं? फाइनल वेलोसिटी माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी ऑन x एक्सिस और ऑन y एक्सिस, एंड ऑन x एक्सिस we have time duration, final time is t and initial time is 0. And we already know that the formula of acceleration is change in velocity with respect to time. So now we have a equals to v minus u upon t. After multiplication of a into t, we got at v minus u, and v equals to u plus at. This is our first equation of motion by the graphical method. Second, we know that in second equation we have displacement, and we know that displacement we can find by the area of VT graph. यानी कि एरिया ऑफ VT ग्राफ से हम डिस्प्लेसमेंट फाइंड कर सकते हैं, और स्लोप ऑफ VT ग्राफ से एक्सेलरेशन. द रीजन इज स्लोप ऑफ VT ग्राफ चेंज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. तो जब v t के साथ यानी कि वेलोसिटी टाइम के साथ चेंज हो रहा है, उस स्लोप से हम एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड करेंगे, और एरिया जो है वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ का वो हमको डिस्प्लेसमेंट देगा जो कि चेंज इन पोजीशन है, यानी कि जो पोजीशन चेंजेस है उसको हम वीटी ग्राफ वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ के एरिया से फाइंड कर सकते हैं। तो नाउ एरिया ऑफ दिस ग्राफ, एरिया ऑफ वीटी ग्राफ, there are two geometrical shape over here. Let's suppose this is A, B, C, D and E. Then first we have a rectangle and second triangle. We know that area of rectangle is length into breadth and area of triangle is half base into height. Here we have length is T and initial velocity is U. We can write here ut plus half. We have here we have base is also T and height is V minus U. Height of triangle is V minus U. हम देखते हैं this is a rectangle and the length is T and here is U, so that's why here ut, and in case of this triangle we have half, base is T and height, this one is V minus U, that's why there we have V minus U. Now in first equation we already proved V equals to U plus AT, so we can write here ut plus half T V equals to U plus AT minus U and U plus U minus U is cancelled, that's why here we have ut plus half A T square. This is our second equation of motion. Similarly, we can prove the third equation of motion. In third equation of motion, we also have change in velocity, acceleration and displacement. The same way we can prove the third equation of motion. In third equation of motion, we have also a displacement. We can write over here S equals to, or displacement equals to area of this shape. So we can also consider this geometrical diagram as a trapezium, and we know that area of trapezium AOCE equals to half sum of parallel side, and where parallel side is U and V, we can write here U plus V into height, and here we have height is T. Now in first equation of motion we already proved V equals to U plus AT. Then by this equation we can write here T equals to V minus U upon A. हम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ से कि जो टाइम है वो चेंज इन वेलोसिटी अपॉन एक्सेलरेशन के रेशियो में होता है, दैट मींस T equals to V minus U upon A. तो here we have 1 upon 2 U plus V minus U upon A. This is also the relation between displacement, velocity and acceleration. In denominator we have 2a multiplied by this is 2as, and a plus b into a minus b is the formula of a square minus b square. Now third equation of motion is v square equals to u square plus 2as. By this we can prove all three equations of motion by graphical method. And now we will solve few problems based on graphs, and after that last point of our chapter first class 9, that is circular motion. In upcoming period we will study about the angular displacement, angular velocity, angular acceleration, and what is the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. तो हम सीखेंगे v, ओमेगा, r, इन सारी चीजों में क्या रिलेशन है. थैंक यू.